Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTbase.com. Welcome to our weekly COT review. Today we're going to be analyzing the 42nd Commitments of Traders Report of 2022. And as we always do, we shall start out by looking at the largest changes in commercials positions. But before we jump to the review, just a brief reminder for anybody who is new to COT analysis. Here at COTbase.com, you'll find a lot of educational material, not only in written format. We have some very useful videos as well that will guide you through the analysis process, explaining to you what the report is all about, what kind of tools there are to analyze it, and how you can really benefit from this highly valuable information. Okay, let's start off with our first market, which is going to be coffee. It is on top of our list based on a 52-week look-back period. We are analyzing net positions and the classic or so-called legacy data, futures and options data, and we are currently ordering markets based on the largest changes in commercials net positions. So coffee is our first market, 39% change, huge change in commercials net positions. If you look at this chart, this is a 1-year time frame. You can see that this recent change is the largest change in the past 1 year. It is coming after a decline that's been going on for quite some time. So actually, I think it's a very good signal to get after a decline. And it points towards a shorter term bounce upwards. So we'll see what happens to coffee in the next few days. If we shift our attention to the 5-year chart, you can see that we are moving away from bearish extreme levels. We are definitely not at any significant bullish COT extreme. So the extreme analysis does not say that in the medium to a longer term we should be expecting a bottom. I think that this trend that's been going on in coffee based on extreme analysis could easily continue, and that's absolutely supported by this recent change in traders' positions. Moving on to the next market, we've got rough rice with a 27% change following. It is definitely larger than average change size, I can tell you without even opening the charts. However, if you look at the charts, we have seen greater changes like this in the past. I would say it's definitely top 10, possibly top 5. And you can see how well the market reacts to these changes in rough rice. Again, this is a change signal suggesting strengthening in the next few days. Moving on to the 5-year chart, you can see that with this recent move, we are, and actually the past few weeks, more dynamic changes in traders' net positions, we are getting closer and closer to bullish COT extreme levels, suggesting further rallies coming in rough rice. Soybean oil, the next market, here we have a negative 24% change in commercials net positions, suggesting weakness in the next few days. And again, I think it's a good combination because here we have been witnessing a rise in soybean oil, and this bearish change signal is definitely much greater than average, suggesting a possible top in the next few days. Switching over to 5-year chart, we can see that we are getting closer and closer to bearish COT extreme levels. So we'll see how long this rally continues, but definitely stresses are building up on the bearish side of the market. Now, I know we didn't talk about the euro US dollar currency pair, but I have been receiving requests to go and analyze it with the iCOT Intraday Indicator. This is an indicator that we developed after a lot of years. And our goal was to come up with an indicator that mimics the rules that we use in COT analysis. You can see iCOT scores underneath the price chart, very similar to COT charts measuring stresses, but you can see that we can do it within a day, so in a very short period of time. These are 5-minute candlesticks, and what a wonderful signal here on Friday, just at the bottom. We are receiving speculators' extremes in these candles, followed by commercials, and boom, we get the strongest signal of all when both are aligned, confirmed by the balance line, and we get this stripe signal. For those who are new to this indicator, we are actually providing multiple indicators. The COTbase Pro focused on the classic COT analysis, using data from CFTC. You can use it in your own NinjaTrader, and it actually consists of everything that you have in the website. You can download the data. If you are more focused on the shorter term trading, then iCOT Intraday Indicator is for you. available on multiple platforms. And of course, we have a bunch of very useful example charts and education videos as well. But basically, this chart over here will explain to you what are the different signals and how you can really benefit from this indicator. I truly appreciate your attention. Thank you very much for being with me. I hope you guys are going to have a wonderful weekend. And I'm also hopeful that I'll see you in my next COT review. If you haven't yet subscribed, definitely do that. And if you thought this video was educational, useful, something that you can really benefit from, I would also appreciate a thumbs up, a like. So again, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.